In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for sales pipeline tracking. We're going to walk through setting up a simple, effective pipeline using one of Monday.com's built-in templates. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use board that you and your team can start tracking deals in right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you're in the correct workspace where you want your sales pipeline to live. On the left side of your screen, next to your workspace name, you'll see a small plus sign. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This is how you create something new inside that workspace, like a board or a dashboard. And in this case, we're going to create a new board for your pipeline. After clicking the plus sign, you'll be taken to the board creation area. Here, instead of starting from scratch, we want to use one of Monday.com's templates. Look for the option that says Start with Template and click on it. Using a template saves you time because it comes pre-configured with groups, columns, and terminology that are already designed for sales teams. Once the template center opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type Sales Pipeline. This helps you quickly narrow down all the available templates to the ones that are specifically geared towards tracking leads and deals. Give it a moment to load the results and you should see several related templates appear. Among the options, look for the section or template category labeled CRM. Go ahead and click on CRM. Monday.com organizes its templates by use case, and CRM templates are designed for managing contacts, opportunities, and the different stages of your sales process. By choosing CRM here, you're making sure your board is aligned with relationship and pipeline management, rather than something unrelated like project tasks. After you click into the CRM area, locate the sales pipeline template that best matches what you want. When you've found it, you'll see a button that says Use Template. Click on Use Template. Monday.com will now create a new board for you based on that template, automatically adding all the default columns, groups, and example items. Once it's created, you can rename the board to something like Sales Pipeline, or the name of your team, adjust the stages to match your own process, and start adding your real leads and opportunities. From here, you're ready to customize and begin tracking every deal from first contact all the way to closing.